It's week 9 on the mini braids hair growth challenge. I know what you're thinking. Isn't this challenge supposed to be finished and everything, and I've done my final video? But no, life is lifing, and these mini braids are staying in at least for the next 2 weeks or so. So what I'm going to do is take down these dusty looking braids at the front, and I'm going to freshen up the style. This is a great way, actually, if you are a busy mom like myself, you don't have very much time sometimes, and you're going to put off takedown day to refresh your braids, to let them look good, and it can hold up for another few weeks. Welcome back to Simply Shev, where we talk about all things natural hair, including my own natural hair journey, styling ideas, DIYs, and so much more to help you grow your natural hair long, healthy, and strong. In 2025, we're growing our natural hair long through a series of challenges, and this is the mini braids hair growth challenge. Should have finished at week 8, but I'm doing a few more weeks. These are, of course, optional. You should take your hair out if you've never done a long-term protective style and 8 weeks was your goal. So yeah, I'm going to be going through my hair and assessing it really to see if I need to take it down, which is what you're seeing me doing in this video, showing you a bit of the growth as well. You can actually see a little bit more than you could see last week in my week 8 video. I'm just going through and looking at how much growth by up to week 9 at this point. And so it's a lot of growth. And I've sectioned there the part of my hair I think I'm going to take down to just get some braids in to continue this protective style. I'm showing you where I've got some breakage, problems with my edge again, hormonal. And I'm looking into that, trying to fix my hormones, of course. And so trying to balance ashwagandha. I'm going to try to start with shilajit. I think that's how it's pronounced as well. I'm trying to stick with my Ayurvedas rather than anything that's not natural to help my hormones. My face is quite puffy, as you can see as well. That needs fixing. So I'm going to really try to work on my hormones and get my edges back and get the growth back. So this is a great way to stretch your long-term protective style. If you're ever in a long-term protective style and you're thinking, you know what, I can't take it down, but I still need to look presentable for whatever reason, just take down the first 2 or so rows, and you can actually just do these smaller cornrows, which you will see insert clip of it. I hope I've got a decent clip of it at the end for you to see the style. It's my signature hairstyle. I've talked about my signature hairstyle so much on my channel. It's basically where I cornrow the front of my hair, going back about 2 or 3 inches and leave the rest in either braids or twists. I've worn it so much on my channel. So I'm just taking out the first 2 or so rows to get me enough space to be able to install these braids. Once again, you've got to stretch sometimes your mini braids challenges or your longer term protective style. And it's important that you don't do this when you are feeling frustrated. If you've got a scheduled takedown day, you get to the takedown day and you realize you can't take out your hair, just don't take it out. If I had taken down the mini braids and the way I was feeling, I probably would have incurred a lot of damage, a lot of stress. And so I decided, you know what, let me just put off takedown for another few weeks when I'm in a better space mentally, and most importantly, when I have more time. Too much is going on at the moment, and I just need to schedule this at another time. I'm taking that down. I'm taking down those longer braids first because they really do motivate me. Seeing all of that growth on my hair is fantastic. Many of you know where I'm coming from with the breakage and with everything. So I love to pull those hairs to motivate me, to let me know that what I'm doing in these challenges is working. If you're continuing a longer hair growth challenge, comment down below and let me know how many weeks your mini braids challenge is running to. Remember, I've already done a 21-week mini braids hair growth challenge. I've done 12, 14. I've done many other weeks longer than 10 weeks. And so it's not the longest I've put these mini braids in for. If it is your first time, don't go as long as this. Take them down. Assess your hair, especially if you're coming out of transitioning from relax, etc. And make sure that your hair can withstand a longer term protective style. Don't go for a long time and, you know, damage your hair at the end of it. Remember, our goal is to grow our natural hair. It is not to damage it. And so you've got to assess your hair, make sure that your hair can withstand this. And if needs be, you can actually do a protein treatment. What I'm going to be doing in 2025, a little bit more than what I've been doing, is my henna tea rinse. And I use Napur henna. I've talked about that on my channel as well. So I'm going to be doing these henna tea rinses as my protein treatment because I know my hair loves Ayurveda, especially henna. So I will be doing some henna treatments to get the strength of my hair going. I am still looking for recommendations of Ayurveda as well. So comment down below and let me know what Ayurveda you use. I've used Shikaki in the past and others. I'm always open to new uses for some of the herbs I've not used in a while. as well. So let me know. Once again, taking down the front of these mini braids that should have been out last week. Life has life, and so I need to take them down and just refresh the style, because I cannot complete takedown as promised this week. So you get 2 bonus videos. These are optional. You don't have to do them if your plan was to do the 8-week challenge. If you have the time, you're in the mental space, do take down your braids and go through your normal routine. Once again, there'll be loads of challenges here on Simply Shev to grow your natural hair long, healthy and strong. But you know what? I've done a lot of challenges already. So check out the playlist section for, if you love mini braids, which I know you do, plenty of mini braids challenges in there. How I've gone through week by week on these challenges. So check that out as well. Check out my mini twist for growth as well. Very different challenge there. Of course, I know there's loads of you that just prefer to wear your hair in mini twist, and that is a great protective style. You know, mini twist is so much easier than braids in so many ways, but I tend to use braids on my hair because that really helps me to get to my goals longer. I've also done cornrow hair growth challenge, and that's, of course, even the easiest. You install those cornrows, you leave them, you don't really have to think about frizz and some of the other stuff that comes with mini braids. So check those out. And if you're looking for just general hair care tips, check out my playlist section. If you've not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button. On Simply Shev, we're making videos about growing natural hair. I'm motivating you to grow your natural hair in 2025. So go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my playlist section. Thank you so much for watching. And this is the style that I created by taking down these braids. My next one, I'm going to actually measure for you, and see you then.